Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the health of Poppy Bank. Now, I know what you're thinking, banks aren't exactly the most exciting topic, but stick with me because this is important. The importance of understanding bank health. Think about it, your money is in the bank, right? And you want to make sure that it's safe and secure. That's where understanding bank health comes in. Knowing how healthy a bank is can help you make informed decisions about where to put your money. So, how do we assess the health of a bank? Well, there are a few key factors to look at. Let's dive in. Factor number 1, financial ratios. One of the first things we'll look at are financial ratios. These are numbers that tell us how well a bank is performing financially. Some of the key ratios to consider include return on assets, ROA. This tells us how much profit a bank is making on its assets. Return on equity, ROE. This tells us how much profit a bank is making on the money invested by its shareholders. Capital adequacy ratio. This tells us how much capital a bank has to cushion itself against losses. By analyzing these ratios, we can get a good idea of how well a bank is managing its finances. Factor number 2, regulation and supervision. Another important factor to consider is the bank's regulation and supervision. In the United States, banks are regulated by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, and the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC. These agencies make sure that banks are operating safely and soundly. So, when we look at a bank's regulation and supervision, we want to see that they are being closely monitored and that they are complying with all of the necessary regulations. Factor number 3, reputation and customer satisfaction. Finally, we need to consider the bank's reputation and customer satisfaction. A bank with a good reputation is likely to be a well-run and financially sound institution. And a bank with high customer satisfaction is likely to be providing good service and meeting the needs of its customers. So, how does Poppy Bank stack up? Well, I've done some research and I can tell you that Poppy Bank looks pretty healthy. They have strong financial ratios, they are well regulated, and they have a good reputation. Of course, it's always important to do your own research before making any decisions about where to put your money. But if you're looking for a safe and sound bank, Poppy Bank is definitely worth considering. So, there you have it, a quick overview of how to assess the health of a bank. By looking at factors like financial ratios, regulation and supervision, and reputation, you can make informed decisions about where to put your money. And remember, it's always important to do your own research before making any financial decisions. If you have any questions about Poppy Bank or any other bank, feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Thanks for watching.